Have you ever wondered what really separates the entrepreneur who makes it from the one who only dreams about it? Most of us have been told a story that to start a business you need big investors, a fancy office, or a six-figure loan. And when we scroll online and see polished success stories, we convince ourselves, that could never be me. But here's the truth: that story is a myth. And the real secret is already in your hands, and it's called bootstrapping. Bootstrapping isn't just about starting without money. It's about building with resilience, resourcefulness, and creativity. It's the mindset of saying, I'll take what I have right now and make it work. And that changes everything. Imagine playing a video game where you start with no tools, no weapons, and no advantages. The only way forward is to scavenge, craft, and level up by using what you find. That's exactly what bootstrapping teaches you: discipline, problem solving, and the ability to survive, because your business only moves forward if it's profitable. Instead of spending months on an expensive business plan or waiting for perfect funding, you begin with a skill you already own. If you're a writer, you can sell copywriting services. If you're a designer, create logos or templates. If you're good with social media, help local shops manage their online presence. In the beginning, your product is you and your expertise. From there, you don't need to drain your savings. Because today, we have access to powerful free tools that make professional work possible without cost. Platforms like Canva for creating branding and logos, simple website builders like Wix or Card for putting up a landing page in minutes, and social media apps like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn where you can reach thousands of people instantly. Test your idea in real time and get feedback before you ever spend a dollar. This stage is about experimenting, learning what people respond to, and shaping your offer to match real demand. And when you finally make that first sale, it doesn't matter if it's $10 or $100, you've proven something huge. Someone believes in your work enough to pay for it. That moment is where the discipline of bootstrapping really kicks in. Because instead of treating that money as a paycheck, you reinvest it back into your business. Every dollar becomes fuel for growth, whether it's covering small expenses, upgrading your tools, or boosting your reach. Over time, those reinvested dollars create momentum, turning your small side hustle into a self-sustaining engine. And here's the beauty of it: when you build this way, you're not just chasing money, you're building independence, resilience, and proof that you don't need permission to succeed. Bootstrapping reminds us that the perfect time will never come. Investors may never show up, and waiting only delays the dream. But starting with what you have today sets you on the path right now. So if you've been holding back, telling yourself you need more before you begin, let this be your reminder: you already have enough to take the first step. And the business you dream of is waiting for you to build it. One resourceful